Alright, let's talk about something you use every single day. Water. Ever wondered who really owns water? It sounds simple, but it's actually a tricky question. Think about this. The water in your glass today might have once fallen as rain thousands of years ago. It flows through rivers, soaks deep underground, or if you're lucky, comes straight from your own well. But for most of us, especially in towns and cities, we get water from a tap, and yes, we have to pay for it. Wait, why should we pay for water if it fell from the sky for free? Well, it's not really the water itself that costs money, but everything needed to make it safe and deliver it to your home. That means building dams, cleaning the water, laying pipes, and even taking dirty water away. Imagine all the work and money it takes to make sure water is safe to drink and easy to get. But not everyone is so lucky. In some poorer countries, people have to collect water from wells or streams that might not be clean. Sometimes they don't have safe toilets, and dirty water makes people sick. That's why charities like UNICEF and WaterAid help by building wells, tanks, and toilets so everyone gets clean water. So who owns water? In a way, no one really owns it. But we all share the responsibility to make sure it's safe and available for everyone. Next time you turn on a tap, remember the journey your water took and why it's so precious.